I just made a whole bunch of garlic paste in another video, and while it lasts 2 weeks in the fridge, the best way to keep it long term is in the freezer. I also have a bunch of cloves left, which I'm going to freeze whole. And I also minced some garlic the easy way in another video, and I'm gonna freeze that too. If you have a lot of garlic paste, you may wanna use a gallon-sized zip bag or a quart. Personally, I prefer the sandwich size or snack size because they fit better in my freezer. All I'm gonna do is take a spoon and fill my bag with the garlic paste. You want a nice, thin, flat bag of garlic paste, just like that. Zip it close and let all the air out. And then you repeat that with the rest of your garlic paste. While I can freeze this flat in the freezer, then I'd have a whole block of garlic. What I like to do is pre-portion this garlic, so once frozen, it's really easy to use up in my recipes. To do that, I just take the end of silverware, or you can also do that with your fingers, and you would then score your freezer bag just like that. If it's not holding like this, you've filled your garlic too much, but that's okay. And then you score it the other way. If it gets damaged on the way to the freezer, you can just take your finger and re-score it and place it flat like that. You're gonna freeze it. And all you have to do is take it out of the freezer when you want to use it. And then you can just open it up and release a piece or chunk to use in your recipes. This right here would be about 2 garlic cloves. And yes, garlic will naturally change colors when frozen to a greenish looking color. So if you check out this fresh garlic compared to the frozen, the colors are different. I also like to freeze minced garlic in a zip bag, and I just fill it in the bag, release the air, zip it, and place it in the freezer. And finally, I'm gonna show you how I freeze whole garlic cloves because I bought a big bag and I've got lots extra. Just like the garlic paste, I freeze whole garlic cloves in a bag just like that. Zip it up and place them in the freezer for about 3 months. I don't like them to get freezer burned, so that's about that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check the links in the description for the other how to mince garlic and make garlic paste videos. See you next time.